Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're talking about making money with Dogecoin. That's right, with Doge. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. That's right, I go live on Monday nights and Friday nights. Sometimes I add another live stream sometime during the week, depending on what's going on. So if you're not notified, you won't know. So please subscribe, appreciate the support. Also give the video a like and comment and let me know what you think about what I'm talking about. Dogecoin? That's right, Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin has a great community. I'm active on Twitter. You can follow me at Chris Crypto, where I talk about not only Doge, but also I cover other cryptocurrencies, things that I'm interested in, as well as finance, tech, real estate, all of those things, because we do want to make money. We don't want to lose money, obviously. That's not what all that Dogecoin is about, and I talk about a lot of that in my other videos. Dogecoin as a currency, that seems to be the big push right now, as well as Elon Musk and Twitter, and we'll talk about that. But it is making money. It is an investment. Things that you buy, you like to go up in value, and Dogecoin is one of those things where you can make money, and make money in different ways. One is the obvious one, buying low and selling high. There are a lot of people who do that. There are whales. The whales are the ones that own lots of coins, and sometimes they can even move the markets. And most of us retail traders, what we call retail, we don't have that choice of being able to move the market like that. So what we try and do is look at the indicators and look at the signs on when is a good time to buy and when is a good time to sell. Now, sell Dogecoin, what do you mean? But yes, I'm talking about selling. As we've seen in other bull markets, the price can go way up, and then the price can go all the way back down. And if you just have the diamond hands or diamond paws when it goes up and all the way back down, what is there to gain from that? So there is some profit taking that happens, and maybe it's just a percentage of your Doge that you sell and take a little profits. And that way you're not completely out of Doge if the price keeps going up. We're going to be talking a lot more about that during the next bull run, about when and how to take profits, but that's just a little preview of that. Overall, with Dogecoin though, where prices are right now, I'll show you on the charts, the prices have been a lot higher in the past, and we think Dogecoin could revisit those. So is now a good time to buy Doge? Well, that's up to you. Again, this is not financial advice. I do tell you though what I'm doing, and I am dollar cost averaging, buying a little bit every week. And I'll show you again on the charts, this is the accumulation period. And there are even news reports that the whales, the big holders of Dogecoin, are accumulating more Doge at these prices. Why would they be doing that? Again, it's not to lose money, it's to make money. Now I know, Dogecoin as a currency, Dogecoin, dogs and memes, have a lot of fun, great community. That's one aspect of Dogecoin. But Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency, and people do invest in it to make money. And so that's why I'm talking about that in this video, because I think this is a great opportunity for Doge, what we have right here, particularly with what's going on with Elon Musk and Twitter. And that's not to say that Dogecoin completely relies on Elon Musk, but Elon's support is a big part of it. And knowing that there's this potential for Dogecoin to be a currency integrated onto the Twitter platform makes for the possibility of Dogecoin going to the moon. That's right, we've joked about Doge to the moon before, all of that. But now it looks like there's a real possibility here for the real utility of Doge as a currency to shine. Now people say, oh, Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin was made to be a currency, but because Bitcoin has this hard cap, and Bitcoin is slow compared to Dogecoin, and people are hoarding their Bitcoin, saving their Bitcoin for the future as this store of value, more like gold, Bitcoin to gold, that Yes, Bitcoin's price will probably go up in the future again, but people aren't going to be selling their Bitcoin or even using their Bitcoin. But Dogecoin, yes. Dogecoin, because it has this increasing supply, and it's not unlimited. Per year, there's a defined set of Doge that's given per block, proof of work cryptocurrency that's a reward given to miners to validate the transactions on the blockchain. That's why Doge keeps increasing in its supply, but it isn't this unlimited thing like people talk about. It's based on the mining, and the mining is important for Dogecoin, and in the end is what makes it a really good cryptocurrency, despite it first being made sort of as a joke against other cryptocurrencies, but its core behind it as a proof of work cryptocurrency with its own blockchain. It's not a token like some of these others that sit on top of other blockchains. It has its own, which makes it important. And I think that's why Elon likes it as well. Well, let's go ahead and let's take a look at the charts and some of the news I'm looking at that talks about Dogecoin and how you can make money with Doge. So here we're looking at the Dogecoin chart. This is on the 4-hour chart, and here's Dogecoin now trading at 8.4 cents. And after this decrease in the price, which followed FTX and the downfall of FTX, Dogecoin had been up here around 13, 14 cents and dropped down to now this level at 8.5. We look at Bitcoin though, and look at Bitcoin's big drop from 21,000, dropped all the way down just below 16,000, now trading sideways at 16.6. Many are calling this sideways trading here this accumulation period. That's right, time to accumulate, as the whales seem to be doing as well. But if I zoom out to the weekly and we look at Dogecoin, here's Doge right here now at 8.5 cents. It's seen 8.5 cents just a few times before. One was earlier in 2022 when Doge had been struggling to maintain being above 20 cents and eventually dropped down in May into June, and that was at the time of the Luna crash, and all of cryptocurrency went down at that time. But then, back in early 2021, Dogecoin touched 8.5 cents right here in February of 2021, and then blew right past it in April of 2021 as Doge shot up over 70 cents. That's right. This is a weekly candles here. Came up to 74 cents. And then, of course, there was shorting going on with Barry Silbert. We talk about that on my channel as well and what shorting is. And Dogecoin got shorted down, couldn't maintain that big rise there. But this shows you the potential of what Dogecoin can do. And if Doge is integrated onto Twitter as a currency and you get a lot of people buying Dogecoin, we could see this kind of price again. Yes, that can happen. So, Dogecoin, this is a Bitcoinist recent article. Dogecoin remains solid as profitability surpasses Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's right. What we have right now is a higher percentage of holders of Dogecoin that are in profit. Data from Into the Block shows that while Bitcoin and Ethereum investors have roughly half of their holders in losses, 57% of all Doge holders are in profit. This goes against the current trend of losses, where even Doge's biggest competitor, SHIB, has only 17% of its holders in profit at the current price levels. So Doge right now is holding very strong, and this points to me thinking that Doge is going to be able to maintain these levels. Now, could we see a drop? Yeah, we certainly could, and we've seen that before, where we could see in Dogecoin a drop in the price of, if all of crypto drops again because of some other, what we call a black swan event, like we saw with FTX declaring bankruptcy. If something else happens like that, we could see further drop in all of crypto, which would probably include Doge as well. And that's the risk part of when you buy, which is why dollar cost averaging is a good approach to buying more Dogecoin. But some ask, is Dogecoin a good investment? Well, that's up to you. But many people buy on Robinhood. If you're watching me for the first time, you're new to crypto, Robinhood, I've got a link in the description below to join Robinhood, get some free stocks, as well as buying Dogecoin on Robinhood. It's a good place to start, and I recommend that as a sort of a beginning of your crypto adventure. They have a wallet system so that if you want to transfer your Doge off of Robinhood into your own wallet in the future, you can do that, but you can hold Doge on Robinhood as well. So that's a good place to start, and then you can get more advanced in crypto later. But I have a link in the description below for joining Robinhood, and you can buy Dogecoin there. Another way to make money with Dogecoin is to mine Dogecoin. That's right. Dogecoin is a proof of work cryptocurrency, and you can mine Dogecoin. I would not recommend using a laptop, but this is an article from Laptop Mag, so they're pushing laptops. But I think you really need to have ASIC miners, the ASIC cards. GPU mining works well, but the ASICs are better. If you want to get into mining, we'll talk about that more on my channel as we go forward. For you can make 300 Doge a week or something like that, mining Dogecoin as a proof of work cryptocurrency. That's another way that you can make money with Dogecoin. So the next thing you're probably wondering, so when is Doge going to take off? What is its price going to be at the end of the month, at the end of the year, next year, 2025, 2030? Well, we don't know, right? But we can look at the past as some indicators of when things might happen again in the overall crypto market. That kind of makes sense. Bitcoin goes through these 4-year cycles. We talk about them on my live streams. But Doge, yes, Doge many times follows Bitcoin, but there are times when it has a mind of its own. We look back to April of 2021 when Bitcoin had already seen an all-time high at that time and was going down in price when Dogecoin took off and was going up in price. That can happen with Doge, and that's what makes Doge a little unpredictable, but at the same time, very exciting. And with this great community to be a part of, that's why we like Doge. And yes, you can make money with Dogecoin. Give the video a like. Let me know in the comments below what you think about making money with Dogecoin. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that support. We'll see you next time.